what motivates me to remain dedicated to my job. I love to serve and help people. Totally, it's my passion, and the fact that I remain dedicated, I have a very strong, supportive management team at the Manchego Beach Resort and Spa, and also the compliments from the guests of a good done job that exceed me to go above and beyond. It's not only about myself, but it's also about the Manchego, and it's also for the guests to come back to our room and also come back to the hotel.